If you want to create the reflection of the project, it's very simple and handy. Just right click and you will see here you create reflection, click this one. Here you have the, it will ask that whether you are going to copy a baseline with it or not. So we are keeping it as it means that the baseline which we have attached earlier is going to be reflected as well, is going to be copied as well. After doing this, you will see that a file will appear here with the name of reflection here will. So after opening this project, opening this project, if you want to change, make some changes in the activities, in the durations, in the percentage complete. After doing this, you can you can reflect or merge these changes into the original or source project. Just clicking on the merge reflection into the source project, it will, whatever the changes you have made, it is going to be affected in the original project. But right now we have not made any changes, that's why it is showing here the log that there are no changes too much. But this is the way in which how you can merge the changes into the original plan.